In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the date and time on Windows 11. If you've been noticing that your computer's clock seems a bit off, or maybe your time zone setting isn't correct, don't worry because I'll guide you step by step through the process of making sure both your date and time are perfectly aligned. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to access the settings on your computer. A quick and easy way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the I key simultaneously. This shortcut opens up the settings menu directly, saving you the trouble of navigating through the Start menu. Once you've got the settings window open in front of you, look to the left-hand side for the time and language option. Go ahead and click on that. Within the time and language section, you'll find the date and time settings. Click on it, and you'll be brought to a new page that lists your current date and time settings. This is where the magic happens. You will see options to set the time automatically and to set the time zone automatically. You'll want both of these toggled on. When you enable Set Time Automatically, your system will use an internet time server to ensure your clock is synchronized accurately, and by activating Set Time Zone Automatically, your system will determine your location and adjust your time zone accordingly. Now sometimes the automatic settings need a little nudge to sync correctly. That's where the Sync Now option comes in handy under the Additional Settings section. Go ahead and click on the Sync Now button. This manually prompts your system to update the date and time settings from an internet source, ensuring that everything is in perfect harmony. Updating these settings is essential not only for personal use, but also because many applications rely on accurate date and time settings for scheduling and performing time-sensitive tasks. Having these out of sync can lead to minor inconveniences like missed reminders or major issues like software errors, especially with applications that require precise timestamp logging. If you find that your settings still aren't perfect, make sure your internet connection is reliable, as these settings depend on active syncing over a network. And in cases where even a manual sync does not correct the time, restarting your computer is always a reliable fallback to ensure settings are properly applied. With these simple steps completed, your Windows 11 device should now display the correct date and time, keeping everything running smoothly and on schedule. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and easy to understand. If you've any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.